Good morning, dear kids. This is your exercise 7B, chapter indices. In that, your first problem is solve for x. In that, you have 2x plus 1 is equal to 8. How you will write this? 2x plus 1 will be as it is. 8 को आपको 2 फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा, तो क्या हम 2 क्यूब लिख सकते हैं? Yes. Once you wrote 2 cube, now if you notice that the bases are same, what will be the exponents? The exponents will be equal. So we can write 2x plus 1 is equal to 3. From there you will get the value of x as 1. Isn't it easy? Okay. Similarly, you have to go for problem number 2 and 3 will be your homework. I'll jump on to problem number 4. And that says 49x plus 4 is equal to 7 square into 343x plus 1. My dear kids, 49 को क्या मैं 7 का स्क्वायर लिख सकती हूँ और x plus 4 उसके साथ ही रहेगा. 343 को क्या मैं 7 का क्यूब लिख सकती हूँ और x plus 1 उसके साथ ही रहेगा. Now you have to open this, and once you open, this will be multiplied with both, so it will be something like this. Open this, so it will be 3x plus 3. Isn't it easy? Yes. Further it says, once you got this, what you have to do is 7 2x plus 8, and these are in multiplication. Can we add them? Yes. So 7 2 plus 3x plus 3. That will be 7 2x plus 8 is equal to 7 5 plus 3x. Now you got the base same, and as I said you, if your bases are same, you can equate your exponents. That is 2x plus 8 will be equal to 5 plus 3x. That will be 2x minus 3x is equal to 5 minus 8 minus x is equal to minus 3, and x will be equal to 3. Isn't it easy? Yes. Next is question number 2, which has again find x. In that, if you have your first 4 raised to 2x is equal to 1 upon 32. 4 raised to 2x आप वैसे ही रखेंगे. 1 upon 32 को आप 4 को भी हम लोग 2 में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं, तो दैट विल बी मोर ईजी फॉर अस. सो 4 को भी मैंने 2 का स्क्वायर बना दिया, सो इट विल बी समथिंग लाइक दिस. एंड 32 को मैंने 2 का 4 टाइम्स, yes, no, 2 for 5 times. Okay, I got this. So now once I got, my left hand side will be 2 raised to 4x and my right hand side will be 1 upon 2 raised to 5. My dear kids, 2 raised to 4x तो वही रहेगा. इस पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट को अगर मैं ऊपर ले आ रही हूँ तो इसका एक्सपोनेंट नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. Now the bases are same and you have to equate your exponents, so that will be 4x is equal to minus 5, x is equal to minus 5 by 4. Is that clear? Yes. Next we have problem number 2 of this, which says under root 2x plus 3 is equal to 16. My dear kids, ये जो स्क्वायर रूट है अगर इस तरफ शिफ्ट हुआ तो 2x plus 3 ये 16 का स्क्वायर बन जाता है. Isn't it easy? 2x plus 3. Now 16 को अगर आप ओपन करोगे, 16 का स्क्वायर, ठीक है, 16 का स्क्वायर अगर आप ओपन करोगे, 16 को क्या मैं 2 को 4 टाइम्स लिख सकती हूँ. 2 2 4, 4 8, 8 2 16 और ये 2. So it will be 2x plus 3 is equal to 2 raised to 8. Am I correct with this? Now you have the same basis. What you will be doing with the exponents? You will equate them. So you will have something like this, and your answer is 5. Isn't it easy? Yes. Next is your problem number 3 of the same, which says under root 3 upon 5 raised to x plus 1 is equal to 125 upon 27. My dear kids, अगर आपको पता हो अंडर रूट a अगर मैं दे रही हूँ तो ये होता है a raised to 1 upon 2. ये जो स्क्वायर रूट होता है ये यहाँ पे 1 upon 2 बन जाता है. अगर मैं आपको क्यूब रूट दे रही हूँ तो ये यहाँ पे बन जाता है 1 upon 3. तो उसी तरह से इफ़ आई एम गिविंग यू अंडर रूट 3 upon 5 तो ये एग्जैक्टली क्या बन जाएगा? ये बन जाएगा 3 upon 5 raised to 1 upon 2, और उसके साथ x plus 1 तो है ही ये वाला. yes, 125 upon 127, सॉरी 27 हम वैसे ही रखेंगे. okay, got my point clear? I'll erase this part. So we have 3/5, अगर आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो ये आएगा x + 1/2 इज इक्वल टू 125/27. कैन आई राइट 125/27 एज 125 5 का क्यूब एंड 27 3 का क्यूब? येस. So I'll get 3/5 x + 1/2. And but you notice here if I have 5/3 raised to 3. But if you notice here, this base is 3/5, but this base is 5/3. That means they are not equal. How to make them equal? What I'll do is 3/5 को मैं ऐसे ही रखूँगी, 5/3 को मैं 3/5 रेसिप्रोकेट कर दूंगी, और जैसे ही मैं रेसिप्रोकेट करूंगी तो इसका ऊपर का एक्सपोनेंस नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. Is that clear? Now the bases are same. Now you can knock off the bases and you will have your exponent x + 1/2 will be equated with -3, and from there you will get the value of x. Got my point clear? Okay, we have our next fourth problem as 2/3, but this time we have a cube root and here x - 1 is equal to 27/8. मैंने आपको बताया था 2/3, ये जो क्यूब रूट है ये 1/3 बन जाता है, और x - 1 तो आपके साथ है ही. 27 को क्या मैं लिख सकती हूँ 3 का क्यूब, और 8 को क्या मैं लिख सकती हूँ 2 का क्यूब. सो इट विल बी समथिंग लाइक दिस. Now 2/3, 1/3 into x - 1 will be x - 1/3. Is that clear? And 3/2 और 2/3 बेसिस सेम नहीं है. अब बेसिस सेम करने हैं तो you have to reciprocate 3/2 and it will become 2/3. But when you reciprocate, your exponent will get into negative. So you got -3. Now you have the same base. You can knock them off and you can calculate your x - 1/3 is equal to -3. From there you will get the value of x. Isn't it easy? Yes. Question number 3. We have again solve for x. In that you have your first as 4x - 2 minus 2x + 1 is equal to 0. My dear kids, ये -2x + 1 इधर ले जाओ तो ये बन जाएगा 4x - 2 is equal to 2x + 1. यस, इस 4 को अगर आप चाहें तो इसको 2 का स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं. x - 2 is equal to 2x + 1 जैसा है. राइट हैंड साइड वैसा ही है, सिर्फ यहाँ के 4 को मैंने 2 कर दिया और x - 2 उसके साथ था ही. वंस यू ओपन द ब्रैकेट यू विल गेट 2x - 4 is equal to राइट हैंड साइड आपका वही रहेगा. नाउ यू हैव द सेम बेसिस, यू हैव टू इक्वेट योर एक्सपोनेंट एंड गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x. Easy? Yes. Next we have problem number 2. In that we have 3 raised to x square is to 3 raised to x is equal to 9 is to 1. 3 raised to x square upon 3x is equal to 9/1. My dear kids, as we all know that exponents हमारे क्या होते हैं, अगर हमारे बेस सेम है तो एक्सपोनेंट सब्ट्रैक्ट होते हैं. तो क्या मैं ऐसे लिख सकती हूँ x² - x, और अगर यहाँ पे मुझे करना है तो 3 का ये स्क्वायर है, 1 की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, तो ये ऐसे बन गया. नाउ द बेसिस आर सेम. व्हाट यू विल डू, x² - x is equal to 2. You will take this 2 on this side, so you will get a nice quadratic equation. Now this quadratic equation you have to solve. How you will solve this quadratic equation? By splitting the middle term, and you will get 2 brackets, my dear. You have to complete the problem and find the value of x. Is that clear? Yes. Problem number 4. Question 4, we have in that first as, okay, 8 into 2 raised to 2x in plus 4 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 2 raised to x. My dear kids, for 8 into 2 raised to 2x, क्या मैं x और 2 ऐसे लिख सकती हूँ? Yes. Plus 4 इंटू 2 raised to x, इनको सेपरेट कर दूँ तो ये कुछ इस प्रकार से बन जाएंगे. सो दिस इज सेम. क्लियर? नाउ यू हैव टू कीप योर 8 हियर, 2 raised to x raised to स्क्वायर हियर, 4 ऐसा ही, 2 raised to x ऐसा ही, एंड यू हैव टू गेट योर 1, ओके, इंटू 2 and take this both the terms here on this side. Got my point clear? Now if you notice, you are getting something like this. Okay, you are getting 8 into 2 raised to x का square plus 4 into 2, this will be 8 into 2 raised to x minus 1 minus 2 raised to x. Am I correct with this? Yes. Then if you want, what you can do is you can take 2 raised to x as common. Okay. What you can do is here 8 into 2 raised to x square plus here if I take 2 raised to x as common, inside will be 8 minus 1. Is that clear? Yes. So 8 into 2 raised to x square plus 2 raised to x and 7 is equal to 0. Am I correct with this? Let me check. Yes, I'm going correct. I think, okay, 8a square plus, okay, dear kids, I guess I have made a mistake here. I'll just rectify. See, my dear kids, there's subtraction here and I cannot take in common here. So here I have made mistake. If I have one term this and one term this, so उन दोनों में से अगर 2x minus 2x common निकाला 2 raised to 2x, so 2 raised to x common निकाला, so inside will be 8 and here nothing means 1. So that means here minus 1 I have missed out. This minus 1 here I have to write. Okay, now I guess it's perfect. Now my dear kids, let 2 raised to x को मैं रख दूँगी a. तो ये हो जाएगा 8a square plus 7, this is 7 and this is 2 raised to x को मैंने a रखा है तो it will be 7a. 7a minus 1 is equal to 0. Once you got this quadratic equation, you have to go by splitting of middle term and from there you will get the value of a. My dear kids, once you got the value of a, you have to take the positive value, of course. Let's see what value of a I am getting. For a, I am getting it as minus 1 and 1 upon 8. A I'll get as minus 1 and I'll get 1 upon 8. But do you remember a is 2 raised to x? So now you have to put 2 raised to x is equal to minus 1. That will be negative value. If you don't want, you have to ignore. And another value is 2 raised to x is equal to 1 upon 8. So if I solve this, 2 raised to x is equal to 1 upon 8, I can write it 2 raised to x is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to cube. And 2 raised to x is equal to 2 raised to cube. इसको ऊपर लेकर जाएंगे तो उसका एक्सपोनेंट नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. तो x की वैल्यू इज -3. Your final answer will be x is equal to -3. I know it's a difficult problem, but once you solve it, you will find it easy. Okay, in that you have one more. Let's take that also. Problem number 2, which is 2 raised to 2x plus 2 raised to x plus 2 minus 4 into 2 raised to 3 is equal to 0. Can I write 2x square? Can I split this? Can I write this as square? And can I write this like this? Okay, then we have 2 raised to x square plus 2 raised to x into 4 minus 2 into 2 4 and this for 5 times it will be 32. Now if you want, you can take let 2 raised to x is equal to a. So it will be a square plus 4a minus 32. Now you have to solve this equation, get the value of a. Once you got the value of a, you have to resubstitute your 2x again, 2 raised to x again. What value of a you are getting is a is minus 8 and 4. So that means you will take the positive value, that is 4, or 2 raised to x is equal to 4. 2 raised to x 4 को मैं कर दूंगी 2 raised to 2. Bases are same, so x value you are getting as 2. Perfect. Okay. In that we have third also. We have root 3 x minus 3 and fourth root of 3 x plus 1. माय डियर किड्स, रूट 3 तो यहाँ पे 2 है, स्क्वायर रूट है इसलिए वो 2 है और वो 2 क्या हो जाता है 3 के इधर आ जाता है एंड x माइनस 3 एंड फोर्थ रूट क्या बन जाता है 1 अपॉन 4 एंड x प्लस 1. दैट मीन्स यू हैव x माइनस 3 अपॉन 2 is equal to x plus 1 upon 4, because 3 bases are same, so the exponents we can equate. Cross multiply, because this will become a linear equation, and from there you will get the value of x. Okay, fine. Okay, I'll stop it here. If you have any doubt, you can message me. God bless.